excited to teach you how to use messenger effects on your messages to your customers, friends, and family. Parisi Pack Tutorials. Hey, welcome back. I'm Steph from the Parisi Pack with another tutorial to help you grow your profits and stand out online in your network marketing business. I can't wait to show you how to do this. I know you're busy, so remember to subscribe and hit that bell and let's dive in.
This is such a cool trick. So first you are going to open up Messenger and then select the friend that you want to send a message to. So I'm going to go to my friend Jamie, and now I'm going to just start typing out a message. So, hey, thanks, Jamie, I appreciate it. Okay, so you've finished your message, and after you've typed it out, before you hit the little arrow button to send, I want you to hit that little magnifying button, or it might appear as a smiley face on your phone. So you can see I hit this little button right there. And when I do that, it's gonna give me some different options. I have a gift box that I could make it. There are some flames or confetti. Because we have color on our messenger effects, that's why the confetti is purple. If you wanted white confetti, I would set the background to be monochrome. So I am going to select the flames and send that. Pretty simple, right? Keep watching. I'm going to show you another one. Let me show you what it looks like with the white confetti background. So here is the white confetti background. I'm going to hit that button again. The second that you push the button, it's going to send it. So let me go over some ideas of how to use these special effects, because it is just one more way that you can stand out from the crowd. And if you haven't already, check out my other tutorials on my channel. I have some other ones on Messenger. I have how to customize your Messenger reactions, and then also how to find and locate and use your Messenger link. A few ideas on how to use message effects. First, if you want to use the confetti, you could use the confetti option to send invites to parties, events, and celebrations. So again, remember, when you hit that little magnifying glass, here are your different ones, and it's going to go right away once you hit it. You could use the flame option for something like a flash sale. And then you could use the gift box option for seasonal specials, customer thank yous, or when you want to be kind of secretive, because you'll see when I hit this, it sends it. And let me show you what it looks like on their end when they receive a gift box message. This is my friend Avita, and I sent her a gift box message, and it shows up unopened. She has to hit it, boop, lid comes off, and there she can read the message. Pretty cool. Another way to use the gift box option is to send a simple message first, just asking a basic question. Here you can see I sent one saying, did you hear about this? And then to find out, they have to open the gift box. So that's just a fun little trick that you could do with the gift box option as well.
I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Check out my channel for some other Facebook tutorials, and then head on over to stephanieparisi.com to grab something free that'll help you win even more on social media. Share this video, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified when I release another video next week.